Good morning, brothers and sisters. My name is Mungai. I was born and raised in Lagos, Nigeria, in Africa. I want to give a tip for you today if you want to go to Keyhole in Boracay, this, and Puka Beach in Boracay, like this. DIY style, do it yourself and you can save money. This bus goes around Boracay, fully air conditioned. The bus is called Hop On Hop Off. This is the route all across Boracay. You can screenshot it. My destination today is Keyhole and then Puka Beach. When you hop in the bus, you buy from the conductor this card, which is only 50 pesos. I rode the bus in the mall near Jollibee and going to Belmont Hotel. The bus will drop you at Belmont Hotel. The fare is only 50 pesos. From Belmont Hotel, you walk just 8 minutes going to Keyhole. The fare for tourists, no matter how long or short your road is the same, 50 pesos. This is a Belmont Hotel. The bus will drop you right here. From Belmont, 1 minute walk to Boracay New Coast. You can take your pictures here, very beautiful. From the sign New Coast Boracay, you walk just 8 minutes going here to Keyhole. It's a coffee stand where you can take your pictures there. And then you go back to Belmont and take another hop on bus going to Puka Beach, which is only 50 pesos. From Belmont Hotel to Puka Beach. Here I spend 30 minutes exploring Puka Beach. When I saw this gorgeous lady, I said, "Woman, come here. My name is Mungai. I am from Nigeria. I want to be your boyfriend." After Puka Beach, you can ride the bus again going to the mall. But the bus took too long, so I ride the e-trike for only 30 pesos. This is a DIY trip because the planned trip is very expensive. The tricycle drivers are scammers. I asked why. So be careful of the e-trike drivers. They will rip you off. They are scammers. They will overprice you. I talked to one of the e-trike drivers and I asked how much for Keyhole and then Puka Beach. E-trike driver answered me, "It is 300 pesos per hour." I said, "What are you talking about? Are you out of your mind?" Busier. This is a good tip for my Nigerian brothers who are also solo backpackers like me. To all my Niger brothers and sisters, be careful of e-trike drivers that will scam you. E-trike drivers would like to scam brothers from Nigeria, especially foreigners. If you follow my tip, you will save a lot of money and you'll be in cloud 9. For more tips for solo backpackers, please follow my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Before I forget to mention, you brothers need to bring 2 liters of water. You will definitely need it. If you like this video, to all my Nigerian brothers and sisters, please give me a like and follow and subscribe. Let me tell you something. If you follow me, I swear for God now, you will save a lot of money. Thank you everybody for watching my videos. Adele majalelelele.